Anti-inflammatory foods. Is there any food that reduces inflammation? And the answer is yes. As it sounds, anti-inflammatory foods are foods that have been scientifically proven to have effects on reducing the inflammatory effects on body. Doctors and nutritionists consider that the ingestion of these foods not only benefits the consumer in the inflammatory process, but also have other different health benefits to consider. Some of the best anti-inflammatory foods are berries, like strawberries. Raspberries or blackberries are rich in antioxidants such as anthocyanins. These are responsible for that characteristic color on berries, that vibrant blue, purple, or reddish color. Fruits in general have antioxidant compounds, but berries not only have them, but also they are filled with many other chemicals that reduces different body pathologies, such as inflammation, cancer, or cardiovascular diseases. Eating berries on a regular basis also gives the body the ability to manage and be better prepared to fight an inflammatory process. There are many ways to consume berries. Salads with berry spinach, smoothies, or strawberries vinaigrette are some examples. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, dandelion greens, and other leafy greens also are rich in antioxidant, and they can alkalinize the body. Foliate, fiber, vitamins A, vitamin C, vitamins E, vitamins K, and other mineral are present on these foods. They nourish our body on a cellular level. Not only they reduce inflammation, but they also prevent cognitive decline and stimulate the microbiome. Rice and arugula salad or avocado, shrimps and asparagus salad are some recipe recommendations to easily be cooked at home. Fatty acids like omega-3 can't be produced in the body, so they are fundamental in nutrition. You need to get them from your diet. Fatty fishes, salmon, trout, sardines, anchovies, and mackerel are rich in them. Omega-3 helps in pathologies such as lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, type 1 diabetes, psoriasis, colitis, multiple sclerosis, and more autoimmune diseases. Depression and anxiety can be reduced with omega-3 because it stimulates the brain general health. Some easy recipes are Dijon baked salmon, orange glazed salmon, or salmon avocado salad. Other types or fats are monosaturated fats. They are known as healthy fats, and they can reduce the cholesterol blood level, joint inflammation, stimulates body energy production and brain development, prevent blood clotting, and can absorb fat-soluble vitamins. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, potassium, and other compounds that can prevent neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer and Parkinson. Stuffed avocados or avocado egg salad are some recipes that can be easily made at home. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, bok choy, and Brussels sprouts contain antioxidants, vitamins, and phytochemicals. Broccoli is rich in sulforaphane, vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, and fiber. Sulforaphane has protective effects against cancer and can detoxify harmful chemicals that can produce an inflammatory reaction. This cruciferous vegetable can be consumed in different salads, as steamed broccoli or chicken broccoli casserole. For centuries, it is known that garlic has many health beneficial effects. It can prevent cancer and works as immune stimulant. Garlic contains quercetin, which inhibits histamine, and sulfur compounds that stimulates the immune system. It helps in arthritis because it reduces the inflammation, cartilage damage, and pain. Because it is a spice, garlic adds a lot of flavor to any recipe. Ginger helps with motion sickness, nausea, pain, and stimulates immunology process due to a substance known as gingerol. In terms of digestion, ginger helps the intestinal motility to promote movement and fasten the digestive process. It is key constipation struggles. 75 to 80% of the immune system comes from the gut. So if garlic is beneficial to the digestive system, it will be to the immune system too. Colorectal cancer can also be prevented with ginger recipes like scallops with citrus ginger sauce, carrot gingered soup, or golden milk. Chia seeds have been a dietary staple for centuries. Nowadays, it is considered a superfood for providing a lot of energy. Mayans called it like that because chia means strength in their language. They also contain vitamins, nutrients, and are one of the best sources of fiber. Fiber is useful on balancing the blood sugar levels and promotes the gut health. Chia and flaxseed contain antioxidants and omega-3. They help reduce inflammation and fight free radicals. They can be consumed in chia seed pudding, jam, or crackers. It's never too late to have healthier habits, and with this improve the overall body and mind wellness.